Thinking about selling your home as is in Sacramento, it could be one of the fastest ways to sell your home. Selling your home as is means you sell the home as is without having to do any renovations or cosmetic fixes. For many homeowners, this option can save time, money, and stress. When you sell your home to a company like Bridgehaven Homes, we buy properties in any condition, fully as is. That means you don't have to do any repairs, any renovations, and don't have to worry about getting the house ready for the market. For homeowners who want a simpler process, selling cash usually is the best option. If you come to a company like Bridgehaven Homes, you will just present us with some basic property information like address, timeline, and condition. We will send one of our team members out to take a look at your home and give you a no obligation cash offer. If you choose to accept, you can pick your close date. We will take care of the paperwork and the timelines. If you are considering selling your home as is and you want a faster, simpler option, reach out to bridgehavenhomes.com today.